So hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In this video, we will see what is an destructor and how we can implement it in Python. So let's start. So what is an destructor? Destructor is nothing but it is used to clean up. So by clean up we mean that it is used to destroy the object. So it is used for an final cleanup. We have garbage collector to clean memory, but there are lot of other resources as well to clean, like open files, cleaning cache, closing database connection. For this purpose also we use an destructors. So let's start by one example and let's understand it in deep. So first of all, I will create here one class called as class my class. In that, first of all, I will create one constructor if, or we can say init method we will do, and self here. Generally we use a constructor to assign a value, so I will assign here one value. So I can self dot name is intron. So here I have assigned the value to the name, that is intron. So now let's create one function def. I will give name as fun function and self. So this name what we have created in the constructor, we will print it in the function. So we will print it like print self dot name is our channel name. This we have printed. Now we want to create one object. So now let's create an object obj is equal to class name, that is my class. So now we should call this method. So we can call like obj dot. So now let's create one destructor first of all before calling. So destructor has syntax like def delete. It is used for delete. So del, it is very similar, we can say, to syntax is very similar to this init method. So instead of init, just we replace it by del, that is nothing but we can say delete self. So here is our destructor. So in this program, in the destructor we will give one command so that we can understand that destructor has done or destroyed value. So after destroying value, it will print one message, print cleaned up everything, cleaned up everything. So now we will take this down first. So friends, first of all, this function will be executed and whatever the content is there in this program will be executed, and at the last value will be destroyed, and this message whatever we have given for our understanding will be printed. So now let's run our code and you can see here is our output, that is intron is our channel name and cleaned up everything. So this has executed first, and this is, that is cleaned up everything. This is our second string which we have given in the destructor, has executed at the last.